Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by preparing the device and applying the first changes. Make sure iOS is updated and you've backed up important game credentials. Install a privacy-focused ad blocker that provides an iOS VPN profile or DNS control, because native redirecting limits rely on these services. Once installed, grant the minimal network permissions requested and choose DNS over HTTPS or an ad-blocking filter set. This immediate setup reduces ad calls. Next, we'll refine filters and handle in-app ad frameworks. Now refine the blocking rules so you stop targeted ad requests. Open your ad blocker and enable custom block lists plus script filtering, because many game ads load via web views and scripts. Add known ad-serving domains used by your specific games. You can copy domains from a network log or community lists. Once added, restart the game and toggle airplane mode briefly to clear cached ads. Then relaunch while monitoring network activity to confirm blocked connections. This ensures the blocker targets in-game ad frameworks effectively. Finish by solidifying the changes and addressing common failures. Restart your iPhone and clear the game's cached data so old ad impressions don't reappear. Then relaunch the title to verify. If ads still appear, make sure no other VPN or DNS service conflicts with your blocker and update the filter lists. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing stops ads, reset network settings and reinstall the ad blocker, because corrupted profiles or stale DNS caches are often the root cause. Retest after each change.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.